What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening up one pack of 1992 Score Baseball Series 1. I'm not sure who we're looking for in this, but let's see who we get, what we can get. All right. We got Bill Landrum, Dwayne Henry, that dude, Ted Power, Bud Black, Jeff Blauser, Greg Harris, Curtis Wilkerson, Alfredo Griffin, Greg Hibbard, Jeff Robinson, Tim Leary, Cecil Fielder, Rick Aguilera, Steve Farr, and Eric Davis. There we go. All right, guys, if you like that video, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.